Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can get listed on Coinbase website. So, in order to make your coin go popular and everyone can see it, chart its informations, and somehow make your information about your token public and give it more confidently and make it more fiable, you can actually add it to multiple websites and list it on them to make it even more better, and it has a positive effect on you as well. So how you can get a coin listed on Coinbase specifically, it's pretty simple way. First of all, you go ahead and go to Coinbase and you go there to their blog about the listed assets on Coinbase. So after that, what you'll have to do is go down, and as you can see here, the apply, you click on this asset hub. After you click on this asset hub, a page like this one will be opened for you. So let's go back here, asset hub like that, and this is it. So you can just go here, for example, to Coinbase, and if you don't know how to get to it, you will have only one way, which is getting through here, which is /asset hub. So add here /asset hub and this page will be opened. So now what you'll have to do in order to make it, it's pretty simple. Click on get started or just log in if you have already an account, and as you can see in this picture here, you add the asset name, asset ticker. For example, it must be between 2 to 5 characters. So the ticker basically is for example, Bitcoin is worth in Bitcoin. So how is it, how is the ticker of Bitcoin? It is BTC. So this is the ticker of your token, and here you add the asset icon. It is recommended for you to add it, and here you say if the is this a ERC20 token, so check yes or no if it is not, and then you add compilation, which is some information about your token. You add your whitelists, add them to your whitelist. You make your planification and the release date and the launch date, and you tell them everything about your token and what is your relationship with it. And of course, here is the legal, which is some security stuff to prove that your token is not a scam, and security to make sure also that your token is not a scam. So yeah guys, that's how you can get your token listed on CoinGecko. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.